Greetings, members, one and all of the Salivation Nation. There's a little pressure on gold and silver as equities gain. Let's explore. Yes, that's right. There's a little bit of pressure. Gold and silver are down somewhat. But because of these equities. What's going on here with this? Jim Wyckoff from Kitco gives us a little bit of a roundup on this. Futures prices are lower in early U.S. trading Wednesday as global equity markets are mostly up. Despite the pandemic that continues to rage in the U.S. and much of Europe, December gold futures were last down at $16.50 at 1868.30 in December. COMEX silver was last down about 27 cents at $24.38 an ounce. U.S. stock indexes are pointed towards firmer openings when the New York Day session begins. The marketplace is presently grappling with the specter of a COVID-19 vaccine coming to the public in the coming months that will likely give economies a strong boost, while at the same time realizing it's going to be a grim winter as the pandemic continues to rage in many areas around the globe, including the U.S. and parts of Europe. On this day so far, it appears traders are more focused on the promising vaccine. Still waiting on trader investor sentiment, however, is the likelihood that no new U.S. government stimulus package is on the horizon despite millions of Americans struggling after COVID wiped out their jobs. The Eurozone October Consumer Price Index rose 0.2% from September and was down 0.3% year on year. Those numbers were in line with the market expectations and still don't show any signs of problematic inflation anytime soon. Once the pandemic is under control and economies start to recover rapidly, it's likely when producer and consumer prices could start to rise at a faster clip. The U.S. dollar index is weaker again today, and the greenback bears are having a good week. The other important outside market sees crude oil prices higher and trading around $42.25 a barrel. And the yield on the benchmark 10-year U.S. Treasury note futures is currently trading at 0.86. The U.S. economic data for release Wednesday includes the weekly MBA mortgage application survey, new residential construction, and the weekly DOE liquid energy stock reports. And then we get into some of the technical analysis here. But the bigger thing here is that these global equity markets were up in spite of the pandemic. And so that's what's happening. And where are the prices now? Well, they're suffering a little bit here, as we can see. Gold is down. Gold and silver are down pretty much both close to the same percentage, under half a point. Both of them are. And so there it is. So we'll see how things play out. But it is interesting to kind of keep up and see what moves gold and silver prices. But really, these kind of moves don't really affect our whole overall strategy a whole lot, especially when we're such small moves as we're seeing here. But it is interesting to see where the trend line is and where it will go. So there you have it. So post your thoughts in the comments section below. I'd like to extend a multitude of gratitude to you all for taking the time to watch, and encourage you to please rate, share, comment, and subscribe.